we see on that window. Nation building is development of the nation. When we think we have to build up the nation, it means we have to develop the nation. Our PM says that the minimum government and maximum governance is important. And when you think that, so the Make in India says complete change to the government mindset. PM said through the Make in India, complete change in the government mindset and a shift from issuing authority to the business partners. It means he is trying to adopt the other partners, those who are interested in investing in India. Through that, we can control that. When the India's credibility is stronger than ever, the various sectors have been opened up for the investment like defense, railway, space, education, and the world's largest democracy is well on the way for becoming the world's most powerful economy. Indian society is a democratic society, is the largest democratic society, and now we are moving towards the largest powerful economy. For that, we should be honest, and at the same time we should believe in the democracy, and we should make the entrepreneurs for that, because when we make the entrepreneurs, then only they can raise the voice against the government also if the government is wrong, and then only we can run the smoothly. The Startup India is another mission, another initiatives taken by the central government for the weaker section, entrepreneurs, ST, SC, STs and women. There are the various policies for these weaker sections, and that called the Stand Up India. And the last, that is the Startup India, so Mudra, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. When he launched that, Modi ji said, "Mujhe ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा entrepreneurs चाहिए, who will come to the bank and those who want to become the entrepreneurs, because who will come to the bank to become the entrepreneurs? Those who are ready to take the risk. Those who are, many people having the ideas, but they never ready to take the risk. They never take the initiatives. If something goes wrong, then what will happen? So when the people are coming for the Pantapradhan Yojana Mudra loan, it means that guy or girl, whoever it is, that person is having the courage and he wants to become the entrepreneur, and we have to support, wholehearted support. He has given the standing instructions to all the banks, and you have to follow it, and they are given the target also. When they have the target, definitely, because otherwise, Indian mentality, are you going to do this? Is it possible? See, don't take a risk. तुम्हारे घर में कोई businessman है क्या? घर में मम्मी बोलेगी. So these are the things, it happens basically in the Indian culture. But he has put it in that way. So every bank is given the target, and you have to fulfill that target. So the Shishu, Kishore and Tarun, 3 categories in the Pantapradhan Mudra Yojana. And the last, that is the digital India, when we will be aware about the internet, when we will be digital strong. Yet we are not, but we have to maintain the vision, and when we will maintain the vision, then only we'll try to achieve that. Every person, every citizen from the India should become like the Arjun. He has to maintain his vision in the life, and he has to become like Arjun. जिस तरह से अर्जुन की एक आँख उसको दिखाई देती है, उस तरह से every person को अपना vision, अपना mission जब दिखाई देगा, then only we can achieve the goal, and then only we can develop, we can build up the nation. Build up the nation. It's a challenge. It's not the easy task, because the creating the jobs, generating the wealth and nurturing the innovation is very crucial job for the entrepreneurs. So that everybody can become the entrepreneurs, but the entrepreneurs will give us 4 people, 5 people job, and these 4-5 families will be survived, because भूख जो है गुनहगारी की ओर लेके जाती है, and no person should be hungry. अगर कि सबके पेट भरे हुए हैं, तो automatically corruption will be reduced. automatically everybody will be happy and we can build up the developed nation for the nation building. These are the initiatives, that is the Skill India, Make in India, Digital India. These are the few initiatives has taken by the central government. In this process, the role of entrepreneurs naturally is very important. Again, it's a challenge. Earlier, India was a manufacturing hub. Now, again, we have to make, through Make in India, we have to make the India manufacturing hub. And you all are the responsible and all are having the responsibility to make India again Sone ki Chidiya. And if we can decide, we can definitely do. It's totally in our hand. He can give the vision, he can give the suggestions, but implement and tell others how can we become the most powerful nation in the world. For that, everybody's initiatives, everybody's efforts is equally important. When we will think on that way, definitely we will be the most powerful nation in the world. When I think about these topics, and I have the many examples basically related to the women's entrepreneurs and other entrepreneurs through Mudra Yojana, how the people have become the two, with the Valecha ma'am's permission, two examples only I wish.
One example.
Okay. Then there was an example that related to the women that I wish. One of the widow that her husband died. Suddenly, she was confused. Not a single rupee at home, and she was confused. What to do? So just we were sitting, and even I was confused. Now what I will suggest? So एक महीने का रेशनिंग तो मैं भरकर दे सकती हूँ, दूसरे महीने में किसी और को बोल सकती हूँ, तीसरे महीने में it will go 6 months, not more than that. Then what she will do? So what you can do? She said, I can do anything. Then just the other lady in our group, she said, can you sell the नारियल? She said, हाँ. तो बैठकर सेल करना है? नहीं. She said, I have the very good contacts with the various hotels. I will just talk. And वो नवी मुंबई के पूरे hotels में अब नारियल सप्लाई करती है और उसके बेटे की शादी भी उसने उसी बिजनेस पर की. So it means sometimes very small initiatives and नारियल बेचना एक business है. Business can be it up to your vision. How you take it, be positive in the life and make the nation strong. My request to everybody, be positive with your children also and those who are around us for the implementation about these various initiatives for the entrepreneurship central government has taken. It's within us, we have to take it positive, we have to put it in the positive. Definitely, we will be the luckiest person in this century with our Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's leadership. Thank you for inviting me.